Alright, so we take a look into their dates. So the first day we want to check is when is the ICO starting. So we're checking their FAQ. They said it would begin, the TGE will begin on the 17th of April, so that's what we're looking for. So we come here and say ICO April 04/17/2018, and when is it ending? And will end on of April and will last 23rd of April, which means it will last 6 days. No contributions will be accepted after the TG is completed. Will ALX token be an ERC? What is it? So I'm looking around to see if there's any other dates they stated. So let's look here. They said 17th to 23rd. Obviously they have not mentioned the full date, so we're just going to take them by their word. 23rd of April. So ICO end date 04 ICO 23rd 2018. But where they were listed here, they mention end date, public sale. So this is a public sale, and then I think it's just 6 days public sale. Alright. So the thing is that any of this field that you can't find, you just leave it empty. So they said the token distribution. So what will be the TG price? Well, then how will the... So right here we're saying when will the tokens be distributed? Of course, token distribution will be done within 2 weeks after the TGE. Each participant will receive an email with the information of the information included. Good. Within 2 weeks. Cool. So we're just going to add 2 weeks to this. This is 7 days, will make it 30th. Let's say on the 7th, 05 of May. 05. 05 of which date? Of 07 2018. Okay. Alright, so everything is good. It's approved. You of course submit. You click submit, and this concludes your first part. Remember when we were starting the video, we did a 2-part series where we said the first part is listing the ICO, the second part is rating it. The rating part is very easy. The part that involves research is the listing. You understand? Which means we've done the main part. In the second video, in the next video, we're going to do the second part, which is very easy. So as you can see, our ICO is listed. Now if we click on this ALX, we will see that this is the ICO details. All the details are here. This is the ICO video, and everything is super cool. But as you can see, the community rating is missing. Nobody has rated it yet on this platform, and you or me that listed it have not rated it. You understand? So these 2 ratings are still missing, and we already have all the details. So going down here, we have the next section we'll do in the next video, which is the team members. We have not researched the team members, so this section helps you to sort out the team members. It's very short. If you click on this, then you have to list 1 team member. So in this video, we're just going to list 2 or 3 team members. So I'll teach you what to look out for when you're looking out for when you're looking at the team members or researching the team members. Then the next stage gives you the ability to add comments. You can add comments to this ICO. Maybe if you spot something, you can add a comment so that the next person checking out this ICO will see it or drop their own comment. Then there's community rating. Nobody has rated it yet, but if people have rated this ICO, you'll see their ratings here. And then the next one is your own rating. So your current rating is 0%. You've not rated anything. So this form helps you to rate it. So you just keep selecting the value for each field of the ICO. So we're going to see it in the next video. So I just wanted to give you a run through of everything that we've done, everything on this page. So in the next video, we will see what we can do going further. All right, thank you.